Hello everyone! Today we will sculpt a Peppa Pig family from plasticine. Wow! Oh no! Where have all my Peppa Pig family gone? Can you help me find them? Let's go! Wow, it's a clutch! With the clutch pins! Wow! Interesting, where first pig? How many things here? Wow! Oh nice, we found first pig! Interesting, who is this? Where should I put? No. 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 Maybe here? Alright. And now let's take this pig. And let's sculpt from plasticine. Here we have a pink plasticine. Let's warm it up a little. And now, put this plasticine on this table. And let's roll out this plasticine using a rolling pin. Oh nice, let's take first form. And second. Oh nice, and now let's remove the excess plasticine. And let's see what we make. Remove these forms. And wow, we make a grandpa pig. Let's put him here. Wow, it's a lock. Looks like a fire engine. And here we have next pig. Here we have 2 dots. Now let's take the keys. And now we need to take right key. With number 2. Nice. Let's try to open this lock. Oh wow, this lock is open. Interesting, who is this? And now can you help me find the right place for this pig? Where should I put? No. No. Oh, you're right, yeah. And now let's make this pig from plasticine. Here we have a blue plasticine and now let's warm it up a little bit. Already, and now let's roll out this plasticine using a rolling pin. Oh nice! What a big plasticine, and now let's take first form. Put here. And second. Remove the excess plasticine and what we make? Let's see. Oh nice, it's a daddy pig. It's a daddy pig. Very good. And now let's find next pig. Here we have a colorful bells. Maybe next pig under this blue bell. No. Let's see next bell. Maybe under this yellow bell. Let's see. Oh, again nothing. And we have last bell. This bell is green. Let's see. And oh, here we found the next pig. Where should I put? Where the right place? No. No. Alright, here. Let's take this pig and now we have yellow plasticine. Warm it up and put on this table. Take the rolling pin and let's start. Wow. Let's take first form. Nice, and second form. Push on this. And now let's remove the excess plasticine. And remove these forms. Interesting, who is this? Oh nice, it's a George. It's a George. Let's put him here and now let's see our next pig. Wow, how many colorful balls here. Oh nice, and here we found the next pig. Very good. Where should I put? No. Alright, here. And now we have a green plasticine. And again let's warm it up. And let's roll out this plasticine using a rolling pin. Take first form. Push here. And second form too. Oh nice, and now we need to remove this excess plasticine and these forms. Interesting, what we make? Oh, it's a mommy pig. It's a Mommy Pig. Nice. Let's see our next pig, and here we have a dump truck. Oh, and here we found the next pig. Where should I put? No. Right, here. Let's make this pig from plasticine. Here we have a red plasticine. Take the rolling pin. Oh, nice. First form, here, and second form, too. Wow, very good. Remove the excess plasticine, and now let's remove this form. Interesting. Who is this? Oh, you're right, it's a Peppa Pig. It's a Peppa Pig. Nice. Wow, it's a fur kit. And here we have next pig. Let's put this pig here. And take these forms. Oh, here we have a purple plasticine. Warm it up a little, and now let's reload this plasticine using a rolling pin. Wow, what a big plasticine we have. Take first form. And second form. Right. And now let's remove the excess plasticine. And let's take these forms. Oh, nice! Who is this? You're right, it's a Granny Pig. It's a Granny Pig. Oh, congratulations! We make all this Peppa Pig family from plasticine. Thanks for helping me. Subscribe to the channel and put likes. Bye bye!